meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Temperatures today, we're running about 10 to 15 degrees above normal for this time of year, but some colder weather is on the way. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Highs tomorrow will be in the upper 30s. Look for mid-30s over the weekend and then dipping down into the 20s for Monday and Tuesday. 30s return for Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Well, earlier today, most of us were in the lower to mid 40s. Right now, we're looking at a mixture of 30s and 40s across the area. 43 degrees in Manitowoc. It's also 43 in Fond du Lac. 41 right now in Oshkosh, and it's 37 degrees in Oconto. High temperatures have been above normal for the last 8 days, and today's mild conditions came with lots of clouds and occasional showers. You can see the overcast conditions from earlier this afternoon. NBC26 Precision Radar shows scattered showers across the area throughout the morning and early afternoon, and some of those rain showers are actually on the moderate to briefly heavy side as they push east out over Lake Michigan. But this evening, it has dried out across the entire state. We've got a cold front that is now working into eastern Wisconsin, and behind that cold front, an area of high pressure. North of that system today, it was cooler. Temperatures were in the mid to upper 30s here across northwestern Minnesota and North Dakota. That is the air mass that will overspread northeast Wisconsin for tomorrow afternoon. So tomorrow will be cooler than what we saw today, but it's still going to be above normal. Look for 37 in Pensacola, right around 37 in Kashina, 39 in Kimberly, right around 38 in Maribel, and in Princeton and Oakfield tomorrow. Temperatures will be flirting with 40 degrees. For the rest of tonight, plenty of clouds. A few stars tomorrow, plenty of clouds, and one star, the sun, so mostly cloudy conditions across northeast Wisconsin. Our next weather maker is a weak one that'll push through early Saturday morning with maybe a little bit of light snow and a few flurries, and then we turn our attention to the bigger storm that's headed our way for Sunday. Yesterday, it looked like two storms would form into one storm and then move north and east towards Wisconsin on Sunday. Now, it looks like those two storms will remain separate until they move past Wisconsin, and the northern storm is going to be the dominant one, which means the Gulf moisture is really not going to work in here, and it's also going to be a little bit warmer with the northern storm being the most intense one. Having said that, it still looks like much of the area will see accumulating snow and probably the first significant snowfall of the season as we head into Sunday. So your forecast for tonight calls for mostly cloudy skies. Lows will be in the upper 20s. Tomorrow, clouds mixing with some sunshine. Highs will be in the upper 30s. On Saturday, some morning light snow or flurries, then mostly cloudy, mid-30s. Sunday looks snowy, windy conditions with a southeast to east wind. There could be just a little bit of mixing going on, especially near the shoreline of Lake Michigan and across the southeastern part of the viewing area. Snow should taper off to some flurries or periods of light snow on Monday. Much colder, highs only in the 20s. 20s on Tuesday, maybe a flurry or two, and then we'll warm up a little bit. But when we warm back up, highs will only be in the lower 30s, which is where we should be as we head into the mid part of December.
Yeah, much more like the season that we should be in.
Yeah, I mean, a couple days ago we had 60s, we've had 50s, today it was 40s, but it looks like more 20s and 30s are in our future as we head deeper into the month.
Along with a little bit of snow, and it's time to take a look at tonight's lights. This display has a theme we all recognize.
It's going to be a Packers Christmas.